Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. In today's video, I'm going to share a tea with you. I learned about this tea from a friend that was struggling to lower her blood pressure. While she was visiting the hospital, a nurse actually recommended this tea, and she was able to lower her blood pressure. And since then, I've used this tea for many years to lower my own blood pressure. And the best part is that it is quite simple and cheap to make. Using only 2 ingredients, basil and garlic. To make this tea, you will need half a liter of water, 5 cloves of garlic, and 3 stems of basil leaves. Basil and garlic contain compounds that improve blood circulation. Garlic's allicin and basil's flavonoids do wonders for your blood's circulatory system when consumed regularly in moderation. Garlic especially can improve the conditions of coronary heart disease. If you can't lower your blood pressure, I recommend drinking 2 glasses per day for a week. If you're just looking to keep your blood pressure well regulated, I'd recommend a glass every other day or every 3 days. Anyhow, that is all for this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.